GDP growth shows the consumer was still strong in Q4. Gross domestic product, also known as GDP, it did miss expectations for 2.5% growth in the fourth quarter, but the growth rate of 2.3% I'd say was still okay. For the full year, we did see a small deceleration in growth as GDP growth fell from 2.9% in 2023 to 2.8% in 2024. For all intents and purposes, I'm going to say it was about the same though. While none of this sounds overly optimistic, the consumer really carried the GDP growth in Q4, which I see as a huge positive. Personal consumption expenditures saw growth of 4.2% in the fourth quarter, thanks to growth of 6.6% for goods and 3.1% for services. Both good rates there. It was surprising to see durable goods really saw nice growth of 12.1% in the quarter, which compared to non-durable goods growth of 3.8%. The miss compared to the expectations can largely be attributed to the change in private inventories, as that subtracted 0.93% from the headline GDP number. This category is quite volatile, and considering it subtracted 0.22% from the headline number in Q3, I would not be surprised to see it actually benefit the headline number in the first quarter of this year. Considering the strength of the consumer, I was actually quite pleased with this report, and I believe it is a good sign for our economy as we look forward. I do believe we will see some bumps in the road this year, but I still think we should see GDP growth in the 2 to 3% range for the full year. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert insights, and market analysis.